Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you my homemade CNC machine and how it works. The machine has an 800 by 1000 mm frame and a 700 by 680 mm work area. The main use for this machine will be engraving, but it can be used for milling too depending on what it's equipped with, its function can change. The frame is made out of aluminum and the pieces that hold the Y and the Z axis are made out of plastic. The X and Y axes run on wheels and they are driven by belts. 3 NEMA 23 stepper motors were used for this project, each having a 1.8 degrees step angle and a 1.26 Nm torque. It has a 24-volt DC power supply, which is hooked up to the 3-axis CNC stepper motor driver. The driver is connected to an old PC through a parallel port. When using a CNC machine, you need a software in which you can design what you want to make, like AutoCAD for example. In this case, I'm using VCarve Pro to vectorize an image and calculate the machine's toolpath. After I'm done, I export the drawing as a G-code. Then I import the G-code in Mach 3, a software made for controlling a CNC machine. When I'm done with setting the 0 point, the machine can start engraving. Here you can see the end result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.